In this video, we'll learn how to use input images for OCR processing in C#. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we're going to delve into reading images using IronOCR in C#. I've already installed the IronOCR into my project, so let's go ahead and jump into the program CS file and check out the code. So first things first, we're going to set up our license key, and this ensures we have access to all the features provided by IronOCR. So we'll start by importing the necessary namespaces and setting the license key. Next, we'll instantiate an Iron Tesseract object, and this will be used to perform OCR on the images. So let's start by reading text from an image file named label.png. We use the OCR image input class to add the image, and then we call the read method to our OCR Tesseract object to perform the OCR. Here, the read method processes the image and then extracts the text and prints it to the console. Next, we'll read text from an image stored as byte array. First, we read the image input into a byte array and then create an OCR image input from this byte array. This method is particularly useful when your image is not stored as a file, but instead is coming from a stream or other sources. Sometimes you only need to perform OCR on a specific region of the image. So to perform OCR on a particular area of an image, first we define the area as a rectangle by providing the X and Y coordinates, then the width and the height. And then after that, we'll load the image using the OCR image input method and then pass the scan region as a parameter to this method. After loading the specific area of the image, we will extract text using the read method and then print the results on the console. So here's the label image that we use for the input image for this example. So let's go ahead and run the project and review the results. All right, so here we go. So the first output shows the extracted text from the entire image file. Next, it shows the text from the image loaded as a byte array. And then finally, we have the results of the OCR on a specific region within the image. And this concludes our tutorial on how to read images using IronOCR in C#. We've showed you how to extract text from image files, from byte arrays, and specific regions within an image. So integrate these techniques into your project and level up your OCR capabilities. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please give us a like, click, subscribe if you like some more videos from us. To get started with Iron PDF, you can sign up for the trial on our site, download, install the package, and experience the power firsthand. There's a link in the description below, so go have some fun.